right, first of all, let's look at them together. What is the slope on this one? 3 or 3 over 1. Fix that again. 3 or 3 over 1. Please let me be able to trust you. What those 3 slope is 3 over 1. What's the y-intercept? 2. Alright, this one right here, is it going to be shaded above or below? Above. Is it going to be dotted or is it going to be solid? Dotted. Solid. Good, because it says greater than or equal to.
Crooked.
This one right here, solid or dotted? It's dotted, because the little line underneath is missing. So you make it dotted because pieces are missing. And do you shade it above or below? Below. Alright, so figure out your M, figure out your B, and graph number 3. Start with number 3 and then we'll check it. Turn the page, your graph should be on it.
It's the open tutorial. Yes. You still like those?
No, you have a job to be doing.
Come on, Dylan. Give me the fingers.
You guys know how to graph these lines. You've already done that lots of times. Start with the y-intercept and then go on the slope. But then you have to decide if you're going to make it dotted or solid.
Mr. Bassey, can you bring up that chart that you said you copied?
Bring up what?
Yeah.
Oh, I have it written down.
There you go.
I do.
Yeah. I'll just write it out again right here. Okay? If you have... Hold on 1 second. Let me just write that down. Alright, here's the chart. Solid and above, that's the first thing you have to decide. You start at the -2. You go up 3. 1, 2, 3, right 1. And I made it solid because it has the or equal to part on it. And then it gets shaded above because it's greater than. And to shade it above, all you have to do is go to the y-intercept and shade up from there. So all of these parts need to be shaded.
And I call it D.
For number 4, what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept. -1. Good. What's the slope? -4. Down 4, right 1. So I'm going to start at the -1 here. You should have already done that.
That hurt.
And then we have to go down 4 and right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and right 1. If it goes off your graph, you just go opposites. Do up, forward, left. All right, look right here. Am I going to make this a solid line or a dotted line?
Solid.
Look at it right here. It says less than. Dotted. All right, then it says shade less than. Go to your y-intercept and think about everything that's less than or everything that's below. It's down this way. And this is what yours should look like. Okay, so it says less than means you shade below. Alright, and the last two are the easiest kind of all. Look at these practice ones right here. And you guys have these, right? Starting with A. Let's just do these parts together. Now you guys know what to do when there's only one letter. If there's not an X and Y together, you go to that one letter. And you make your graph like this. Hey, that corner.
Hey, shut up.
So here we go to the X and the -5. When there's not two letters together, there's only one letter, you go to X -5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you draw it straight through that letter. Don't draw it across through the y-axis, you draw it through the x-axis. But stop and answer this question. Is it solid or is it dotted? It's dotted.
Good job.
Okay? And you draw it straight through the same letters. Draw it straight through the X. Then it says less than. You have to look at that intercept right here, and where are the numbers going to be smaller than -5? To the left or to the right?
Right.
Less than?
Right.
Right.
Wait, no, to the left. Just kidding.
All the numbers on the right are getting bigger, aren't they? All the numbers on the left are getting smaller, so you should shade the left-hand side.
I knew it. I just.
So, letter B. I'll do one more with you, then you'll do 2 more on your own. Letter B. There's only a Y. There's no X and Y combination, so all I'm allowed to do is go to Y2, right there. Do I draw a solid or a dotted line?
That is a solid.
Good. Because it has the or equal to part. Now it says Y is less than or equal to 2. Do I shade above that or below that? Less than. Below, smaller. Yep, that's right. Okay. So those are the easier ones when there's only one letter. You just gotta make sure you go the right direction. I'm gonna give you 1 minute to do the last 2 problems. If X is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it solid or dotted?
Solid.
Solid. Good. And it's straight through the X. And then is it left or right? Left. Less than. All the numbers are smaller over here. Sorry, my shading looks kind of weird.
What? Oh, I can't do it.
Now do crosses. Now go like.
That's alright.
That's crazy.
X is -2 right here. Solid or dotted? Dotted. But it says the numbers are greater than -2, so where should we shade it? On the right. On the right. So that's what you have to be able to do for the next 20 minutes. Let me show you how to do it on the program, so you understand how it works, and then you can finish it up.